Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your name that appears on your Spotify profile. We'll look at how to do this in 3 places. First, on the Spotify website, then on the desktop application, and finally on the mobile app on an iPhone. To change this on the web, first head to spotify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're at the home screen, choose your profile on the top right. This is where you have to choose the correct option. Make sure that you choose Profile here. Once on the profile page, select your name and then the profile details pop-up will appear. Here you can type in your new profile name, and when you're finished, hit save. Your name will then be changed. Next, we'll look at how to do this on the Spotify desktop app. Once you have it installed, open Spotify. Again, just like the website, select your name on the top right and then Profile. Here you'll be able to select your current name, and after you edit it to your new name, hit save. Finally, we'll look at how to do this in the mobile app. From the main homepage, tap the settings gear on the top right. Next, select View Profile on the top here. Tap Edit Profile and you can then edit your profile name. When you're finished, hit save on the top right and you're all set. And that's how you change your name that appears on your Spotify profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.